Welcome to the College Selection Masterclass. Today, we're stepping into one of the most defining stages of the college planning journey, building a smart, strategic, and personalized college list. This session is designed to give families absolute clarity on what matters most in the selection process and how to make decisions that align with a student's goals, strengths, and long-term opportunities. Our goal is to equip both parents and students with a clear, research-backed roadmap. You'll learn how colleges actually evaluate applicants, which factors influence admissions and affordability, and how to choose schools that fit academically, financially, socially, and emotionally. Our goal is to equip both parents and students with a clear, research-backed roadmap. Choosing the right college is one of the most important decisions a student will make, and this presentation is designed to make that process clear, strategic, and confidence-building. Instead of relying on rankings or outside pressure, students and families will learn how to evaluate colleges based on academic programs, affordability, campus culture, and long-term outcomes. This masterclass introduces a structured framework that blends data, self-reflection, and practical research tools so students can make informed decisions. You'll learn how to identify what truly matters, how to compare colleges effectively, and how to avoid common mistakes that lead to poor fit or unnecessary stress. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap for building a balanced, personalized college list that supports academic success, emotional well-being, and financial sustainability. The goal is simple: help you choose colleges where you can thrive.